Welcome back to the AdBlue explanation series. In this video, I continue walking you through the design and logic behind our AdBlue system. Step by step, you'll see how different equipment, pipelines, and instruments work together to create a safe, efficient, and easy-to-maintain setup. My goal is to show the practical reasoning behind each decision so you can better understand the full process and apply these ideas in your own projects. Let's get started. Before we continue, I removed a few unnecessary lines and shifted the entire reactor unit closer to the storage tanks. This placement is much more efficient for piping, maintenance access, and overall workflow. With this new position, the system becomes cleaner, the pipe routes shorter, and future adjustments easier to manage. Now we can move on and finalize the connections with a more optimized layout. Now we need to adjust this entire block of pumps and filters so it fits naturally into our updated layout. I'll reposition the units, align the piping, and make sure the maintenance spaces stay comfortable and accessible. With these corrections, the whole section will integrate cleanly with the reactor and storage tank arrangement. Our primary filter is already in place, so now I'm rotating the entire pump block to connect directly to it. In this position, the pumps line up neatly with the discharge pumps, and the whole section looks much cleaner and more organized. This alignment will also make piping and future maintenance more straightforward. When we start drawing a lot of components, it becomes harder to catch every element that isn't properly connected. Sometimes we rotate a whole section and only notice afterwards that a few parts didn't rotate with it. So it's always a good idea to double-check selections before moving anything. Now we simply connect the whole unit to this T. Once everything is aligned, the flow path becomes clear and the layout stays compact and clean. Now it's time to place the secondary filter. I'm just checking the layout and looking for the smartest position. Some are easy to access, with clean piping routes and enough space for maintenance. I decided to duplicate the primary filter and place the second one right next to it. This solution is much simpler than trying to push the secondary filter into a tight spot, and it keeps the layout clean, symmetrical, and easy to maintain. Now we just connect the line and complete this section of the layout. In the middle of the process, this little zigzag of lines actually looks quite interesting. It shows how the routing evolves as we adjust the layout and keep everything aligned. Just one more small adjustment to the discharge pumps. I'm raising the whole unit slightly so the pipes sit in one straight line. This keeps the layout cleaner and makes the routing look much more consistent. Now let's get back to our filter adjustments and continue refining this section of the layout. Just pushing the whole unit forward a bit to get everything into the right position. Now the pipes are starting to look much more optimized. The routing is cleaner, shorter, and everything aligns more naturally with the rest of the layout. The distances between the components are now much shorter, which makes the whole layout more efficient and easier to manage. Just making a few more adjustments to fine-tune the layout. From this angle, you can clearly see how AdBlue flows from the reactor through the primary filter, then the pump, and into the secondary filter before reaching the storage tanks, all with short, optimized piping. Now I'm just extending this line and adding a valve. This pipe will lead directly into the drainage pit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe. There will be more videos like this coming soon.